structures composed of the skeletons of marine invertebrates, or better known as coral. Each individual coral is referred to as a polyp. Coral polyps live on calcium carbonate exoskeleton of their ancestors. Adding their own exoskeleton to the existing coral structure as the centuries pass, the coral reef gradually grows one tiny exoskeleton at a time, until they become massive features of the marine environment. The ecosystem is composed of corals, octopuses, fish, and many more reef creatures. Coral reefs protect coastlines from storms. They also are a source of food and new medicines. Over 500 million people depend on reefs for food, income, and protection. One of the great examples is the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. Here in the Philippines, we have the famous Tubatanga Reef in Palawan. An example of a food web is when a Moorish idol eats algae, and in return the Moorish idol gets eaten by the shark. Corals live with the algae in a type of relationship called symbiosis. This means that the organisms cooperate with each other. The algae called zooxanthellae live inside corals. Zooxanthellae live inside the corals, which provide a tough outer shell made from calcium carbonate. In return for that protection, the algae provide their host with food produced through photosynthesis. Zooxanthellae also provide corals with their striking colors. Corals, also known as rainforests of the sea, cover 1% of the ocean but serve as habitat to more than 25% of the animals in the ocean. The three main types of coral reefs are: number 1, fringing reefs, the second is barrier reef, and the third one is coral atolls. Coral need sunlight to grow, which is why they thrive in shallow water. As a result, you're unlikely to find a coral reef deeper than 45 feet. Furthermore, they also tend to prefer tropical seas as the sea water is warmer and clearer. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year.